Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 toothache home remedies that actually work fast. Toothaches can be incredibly painful, and it's essential to address the problem quickly. However, if you don't have immediate access to a dentist or pain relief medication, these home remedies may help to ease your discomfort. So, let's get started. Remedy 1, Salt Water Rinse. The first remedy on our list is a salt water rinse. Salt water helps to reduce inflammation and acts as a natural antiseptic. Simply mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt with 8 ounces of warm water, swish the mixture around your mouth, and spit it out. Repeat this process a few times a day until your pain subsides. Remedy 2, Garlic. Garlic is well known for its antibacterial properties and can help to alleviate toothache pain. Crush a garlic clove and mix it with a little salt. Apply the mixture directly to the affected tooth and leave it for a few minutes before rinsing with warm water. Remedy 3, Peppermint Tea Bags. Peppermint tea bags can help to soothe toothache pain thanks to their numbing properties. Place a warm, wet tea bag on the affected tooth for 20 minutes, and repeat as necessary. Remedy 4, Cloves. Cloves are another natural remedy that can help to alleviate toothache pain. Clove oil contains eugenol, which has natural analgesic properties. Apply a few drops of clove oil directly to the affected tooth, or place a whole clove next to the tooth and bite down gently. Remedy 5, Vanilla Extract. Vanilla extract contains alcohol, which can help to numb the affected area and reduce pain. Apply a small amount of vanilla extract directly to the affected tooth using a cotton swab. Remedy 6, Hydrogen Peroxide Rinse. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural antiseptic that can help to kill bacteria in your mouth and reduce inflammation. Mix 3% hydrogen peroxide with equal parts water and swish the mixture around your mouth for 30 seconds before spitting it out. Repeat up to 3 times a day. Remedy 7, Ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to alleviate toothache pain. Crush fresh ginger and mix it with a little water to form a paste. Apply the paste to the affected tooth and leave it for a few minutes before rinsing with warm water. Remedy 8, Cucumber. Cucumber contains antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation and pain. Simply slice a cucumber and place a slice on the affected tooth for 15 to 20 minutes. Remedy 9, Onion. Onions contain antimicrobial properties that can help to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. Cut a slice of onion and hold it against the affected tooth for a few minutes, or chew raw onion for a few minutes to release its juices. Remedy 10, Ice Pack. Finally, applying an ice pack to the affected area can help to reduce inflammation and numb the pain. Wrap an ice pack in a towel and hold it against your cheek for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. So, there you have it. These 10 toothache home remedies should help to alleviate your toothache pain until you're able to see a dentist. Remember, if your toothache persists or becomes more severe, it's important to seek professional dental advice as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.